Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use SafeSync GPS Tracker Vehicle Locator. So in this case, you might be wondering what is SafeSync's GPS Tracker Vehicle Locator here. Well, the SafeSync GPS Tracker is a compact tracking device designed to help you monitor the location of vehicle and other valuable items. Now, according to the official website here, works like with Apple's Find My network, allowing you to locate your vehicle, trailer, motorcycle, tools, and other belongings directly from the Find My app on a compatible iPhone or iPad. Now, the company also highlights features such as real-time location updates, motion alerts, IP67 water resistance, and built-in magnet, and no monthly subscription fees. Now, using the tracker is quite simple according to them, so you just need to install the included battery if needed, and attach the device to your vehicle or item using the built-in magnet or other secure location. Now, then pair it with your Apple device through the Find My app, and according to the manufacturer, the setup process takes less than a minute. Now, once connected, you can monitor your tracker's location, receive movement notifications, and view its position whenever it's detected through Apple's Find My network. Now, the company states that the tracker offers up to 12 months of battery life on a replaceable battery, while newer promotion pages advertises up to 24 months depending on the version and usage. Now, the device is also designed to be maintenance free, requiring only a battery replacement here when it eventually runs low. SafeSync includes a 90-day money-back guarantee with each purchase, according to them. Now, pricing here varies depending on the promotion at the time. So if you're going to visit their website here and click on the Protect Your Car today, you'll notice that the actual amount that you can buy this product is around $39.90 for a buy one get one free offer, which is basically just a 2-pack. Now, obviously you could get more, like buy two get two for $79.90 and buy three get three here, which is around $119.90. Now, that's essentially how SafeSync works. Now, once paired with your Apple's Find My app, it helps you locate compatible tagged items, receive movement alerts, and keep track of vehicles or valuables without requiring a separate subscription or dedicated tracking app, according to the manufacturer. But then again, if you are interested in this product, doing your own research is always recommended. Now, looking at reviews and information from sources outside the official website can help you make a more informed decision and ensure you're getting the best value for your money. But that's about it. So, for this video, don't forget to like and subscribe button and watch our next video.